Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up discoverability in the Axe app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Axe app. And here, it usually opens up in the feed, where we have the people that we follow. Then we can just swipe to the right, scroll down, tap on settings and support, and then go into settings and privacy. Here we can go into privacy and safety. And in privacy and safety, if we scroll down a bit, we can tap on discoverability and contacts. Here under the discoverability title, we can determine if we want others to be able to find us by our email address, or if we want others to be able to find us by our phone number. We can tap on these buttons to turn each one of them on. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.